Patches, you got your seatbelt on.
Yes, Groovy Nate, I have my seatbelt on. Hey, Uncle Devin, do you have your seatbelt on?
Yeah, Patches. I got my seatbelt on. Hey, Groovy Nate, do you have your seatbelt on?
Oh, yes, Uncle Devin. I have my seatbelt on. Hey, groovy people, it's me, Groovy Nate, with Uncle Devin.
Hey, what's happening?
And Patches.
Peace, everybody.
Hey, look, we're about to get our groove on by
Yep.
listening to my latest single, Put Your Seatbelt On.
All right.
Man, it's gonna groove so hard.
How hard?
Let me repeat that. It's gonna groove so hard that we have to stay buckled up. So, check out Put Your Seatbelt On your favorite music platform. But if you're listening to it in the vehicle, remember, buckle up for safety. Let's check this thing out. Hey.
Put your seatbelt on. Now available on CD Baby, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, and more. For more information about Groovy Nate, go to www.groovynate.com. Get your groove on.